Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to share with you how to make a basic face wash base for all type skin. Now you can make a face wash base, you can keep it, and whenever your customer is like asking for some formulation which is like appropriate for her skin type, any skin concern, you can customize according to using like extracts and essential oils. Okay, and it will be very cost effective, and also it will save you time. So first, in a sterilized bowl I'm going to take like 5.5 gram of xanthan gum soft. So I'm going to make a 400 gram batch, so I will be measuring all the things according to that. So first, in a bowl I am mixing 40 gram vegetable glycerin and 5.5 gram of xanthan gum soft. Don't skip this process. So first you need to make a slurry formulation, like a slurry consistency. So you can see that I am mixing the glycerin and xanthan gum soft. Never add xanthan gum soft directly into distilled water. It's not going to easily formulate in your formulation. So better first mix glycerin with xanthan gum and then add it to distilled water. So in a plastic beaker I am going to take like 300 gram of distilled water. You can take any hydrocell also, but that will be very cost effective. But if you are taking like demineralized water or distilled water, not any kind of other water, okay, make sure. So I'm going to take like 300 gram of distilled water. Next I'm going to measure in another small beaker. I'm going to add like decyl glucoside. So these are my surfactants I'm using for this face wash base. These are all vegan and very safe for your skin, and it's not going to strip your natural oil off from your skin. So I will be checking the pH level later on. So first I will be taking like 40 gram of decyl glucoside in a beaker. Next I'm going to take cocoa betan. Now cocoa betan is also one another surfactant, so I will be using like 3 surfactants for this face wash, and these are very good for your skin, and all skin type can use this face wash base, and also it will not clog your pores or it will not strip your natural oil. So I have taken like 40 gram of decyl glucoside and 30 gram of cocoa betan. Now I'm going to add this into distilled water. So this is one kind of method I'm showing. In my future videos and or live session I will be showing you another method also. So next I will be taking like this preservative and 4.5 gram of preservative, because that time I forgot to like add the SCI powder, so I will be doing that later on. So no matter, I am going to add like 4.5 ml of preservative because it's a whole lot of water. So I want to make sure that my face wash doesn't get any bacteria or anything. So now I'm going to add that xanthan gum soft and glycerin mix. I'm going to mix this into this distilled water. Don't blend it. You have to use a spatula or any kind of stirring rod. Never use a immersion blender or any kind of hand blender or whisker to blend this thing. When you are using surfactants, make sure that you are using a spatula and in a very slow motion. So this is what I have done. Now I will going to add the SCI powder which I forgot before. So I am taking like 15 gram of SCI powder. Now you can skip this if you want a less foamy face wash. You can definitely skip this part. But I want to get a very foamy and very natural like a face wash for my client. So that's the reason I'm using SCI. You can definitely skip this part if you don't want to use SCI powder, no matter. and it's not going to harm your skin, so you can use it. So 15 gram is that. So you need to mix it well with the spatula. You can see there is some chunks of SCI powder. No need to worry, I will be keeping this face wash for at least 8 hours to settle down. So I will be covering it up with my aluminum foil, and then I will keep it for at least 8 hours. Now you can see the final product. It's already like jelly texture. Now into this you can add your fragrance color and extract.